Okay, so I'm in. Once you guys go into your Weebly website, building portal, go to edit website, and let me see the upgrade. You said it went up. Oh, yep, 6 months, $6 a month. This is the starter. It doesn't say it's gonna have Weebly on it, so this may not be that bad. So, publish your site to custom domain. No square branding. I do this one just because it's your first one. You can always upgrade later. They'll give you the credit. All right. So you go edit and okay. So this one, word counter. Word counter. This is your word counter. So what you do is you just oh damn it. Okay, I need to publish it. Publish it. And so I want to see how many words you have. You need 1,000. Yeah, you got 1,300 and figure, and then you have some misspelled stuff here. What is this? Oh, it's just grammar. Okay, yeah, so see, it kind of helps you with the grammar. See, this one too, the blah, blah, blah. So it kind of helps you correct your grammar, etc. And then you can just go back to, you can go back to it and to this section and correct it. Just copy and paste the error and go back. So yeah, so you're good. Okay, this is like minimum 1,000, and you probably have more than 1,000 because you have picture here. It's just telling you that it took a picture. It took it, you know, that here's a picture. It's telling you what it found. So that word doesn't count. But for the most part, yeah, it's not. You don't have 300 of those types of words. So yeah, so you're up there. So that's good. So that's the first thing. Then so anyway, so do all your spelling and grammar. It's got to be correct as best as you can. And I notice your contact information here. Fix this. Put your actual address because this helps for ranking in Visalia. This is why you're getting calls from San Francisco because you're saying you're in San Francisco. Maybe not because the website's not attached to your GMB, so that's incorrect. So never mind, forget that. So yeah, go ahead and change the address. Oops, I think this is cannot yeah, together. So you go and fix all your grammar errors. Correct your address, which is in your other page, in your contact page. Your pages are right here. About. You should add. You should have 250 to 500 here on this one. I'm not sure how many you have. Let me see about. Real quick. So you guys can use the word counter. As you saw how easy that was to find. I'm going to clear it, and then I'm going to add this. And you have 274 again, minimum, which is good for your first one. Service. Yeah, you don't have any. You need to add 250 on this one. contact, and then you need to add 250 on this one. And this is how you change the address. You click, where do you click? Contact. You click on the map, I think. Where's the map? I guess you click on here then. Usually I click on the map and it lets me change it on the map, and it changes it here. So change it here individually. Go into each page, do the hours, do it, do the right information, obviously. Okay. Once you buy the phone number, you'll have to come back and change the phone number, and then add stuff. So you want to add text. Boom. So you know, change the color to black so you can see it. Okay, you can change the and then you can add an image. So add a pool image. You can add another image on this side here. So you add some pools or whatever, and then you can add small text underneath your title. Now you got to remember to do H1s. You got to add, let me see, show all the elements. The headings are important because that gets crawled by Google. You got the boxes. That's pretty cool. Manage. So go to App Store. I want H1s. They're usually free. Like, see, this is free. This is an H1. This is your headings. You wanna put a heading ad that's crawlable by Google. Okay, that's done. Then you want to do, so here it is. So now on all your sites, go drag your heading, boom, drop it, and you gotta title it or who's listen, and then you can put it in the middle. Then you can make them bigger, the font size. Okay, and so and you can move it down here. Crap. But this is a header, so you want to put it on the top somewhere. So then you want to add H2s. You want to add H2s, H1 header, and you should have, which are these. Add connect. Okay, so now you have H2s and 3s and 4s. You can go up to 6, and so you want to put the H2s on your sub pages on these guys. Your H1s go here, and again, these are crawlable by Google, and they like them. They like them better than these big texts like you have here. Okay, so do that, then go to your pages and go to your home page and go to your SEO, and you got to title your page so Google can crawl this. So this is going to be Visalia Pool Service. Okay, nothing goes there. Description, what do? We are a pool service company, and also do pool repair. So you want to put, you don't want to just put, I also do repair. You want to do pool repair. So when somebody Googles pool repair, this gets crawled. Okay, keywords. Pool service, comma, pool maintenance, comma, pool heater repair, acid wash. Then you gotta put Visalia pool service, comma, pool service Visalia, and then you want to add pool service Tulare. All right, okay, nothing here, so you're good there. All right, so you got to do that for every page, and then to save it, you gotta publish. That saves it. Every time you do something, you save it. All right, page. So you go back to SEO, your home page, SEO. Boom, that's there. About us, SEO settings, same thing. I would title it pool cleaning Visalia, because this gets crawled, right? And then same thing, do your meta keywords and then your description. Go back. There you go. Okay, so now you have, so you do that with all your pages, okay? Back to build. Oh yeah, I'm there already. Home page. If for some reason the home page won't let me go up and down. Okay, so basically, let me close this. So you got to do keywords, okay? You see how I highlighted this, or I made it bold, I should say, not. You want to have 3 bolded keywords per page. So I did 2, and basically what you do is just you go hold it down, pull service, and you bold it. Boom. Okay, so you got to do about 3 or 4 max per page. You want to do Visalia pool service, you want to do pool cleaning, etc. Hyperlinking also is a cool way to also get Google to like your website when you do hyperlinks. A hyperlink is, you bold this, you go here, and then you refer one of your pages. See, I'll refer this home page. Okay, and that's hyperlinked to this, and then it'll open in a new window, or I can have it open on this existing window. I'll publish it to save what I did, and then let me see. I'll show you the hyperlink. See if it's saved. Was it here? Tulare. It didn't save it. I wonder why. That's interesting. Okay, let me see why it didn't save it. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Tulare. Hyperlink. Standard homepage. A new window. Done. There it is. I'm gonna publish it now and see if it works. We can cover this. We can talk about this more. But yeah, I didn't save it. That's interesting. Oh, it's down here. I did save it. So I'll click on it. Boom. It takes me to the home page. Now you can hyperlink this to, Tulare County, the city page. You can hyperlink this to. This is when you do backlinks. I can do a backlink to. Let me pause this because I'm running out of. I can change this to a backlink, and I can put a website. I can do Camarillo pool cleaning. I can put my link here, and then I just backlinked my Camarillo pool service to yours, and we'll share backlinks like that. Okay. All right.